Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this camping fan for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. I was super excited when they contacted me about it because I love doing outdoor things with my family, getting out and going camping. And I'll be going out for another trip here pretty soon. And I just checked out this light and looked at the reviews, and it just looks like such a really cool product. So, it's here. I want to just take it out of the box and show it to you so we can see together what it comes with and what it looks like in person. So that's it so far. Box is empty. It has all the specs and everything, but I want to look at the actual product itself. So let's see. You can see this is the fan. It comes in this plastic protective sleeve deal here. So pull that open. And the one that they sent me is this really cool green color. I love the color. I want to show it to you up close so you can see there. And then as I'm showing you that color, I'm pressing some buttons on here. So it has two functions on it. So it has the fan button right here. And it sounds like it has three different speeds. So this is off, low, medium, and then high. You press it again, it turns off. And then next to it over here is the light button. So off, low, medium, high, and then off again. I'm going to leave it on because I think it looks really cool and I like it. So I'll set that here for now. Now we'll open up the other box that it came with. Okay. So of course it comes with a charging cord, which is a USB to USB-C. Okay. User manual. Comes with a stand. So let's see how the stand works. Oh, and I just forgot about this part that I just noticed too. So on the bottom here, it has like this little ring hook deal. So if you are in your tent, you can hang it up from the top of your tent and angle it down. So that's really cool. I love that feature of this fan because it's always nice to have a little top airflow if you're out camping in a fan. And then it has this stand, which easily converts it into a really nice tabletop fan. So grab it, and it looks pretty simple. It has a couple little hooks in there. Push it on, line it up, and twist, and that locks it in. So now you can see that it really nicely just stands up on my table. It swivels, so you can point it whatever direction you like, up or down. And then I didn't point out for you that here is your USB charging port there. And then let's see what we have in this other pack here. Okay, so it comes with a remote and one of these little cell bags. Pop that in there. Put the cover back on. And you can hear you pushing the buttons there. So, of course, power button turns everything off. Turn it back on, and it has an oscillate button on there, which I actually didn't realize. So that's really cool because I love oscillating fans. So hit that button, and there we go. So you can see it oscillate and spin. That's super cool. I love that. Then you can control the fan speed, of course, and the lights there. So this is like a really cool fan. I can't wait to actually get it out to a campsite with me. I love having this thing. I don't think I'll be putting it away. So I said I want to take it camping, but I think definitely this is even one that I might just go ahead and set on my desk where I work so I can get a nice breeze throughout the summer. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a really cool camping fan or even just a desk fan, this seems to be like a really nice product, and I love the feel of it, and I'm super happy that they contacted me for it.